Hey guys, happy Friday. Just remember if you have not, or when you are all done with your packet, please turn it in to the mailbox at the school so I can get these graded. And if you need any help with any of these questions on these tests, please go back to the earlier YouTube or the earlier videos that I posted this week. Look at those first and then come back to take the test. All right, please make sure your name is on these and let's get started. This is your vocab test first. I'll read the questions and you can pause the video at any time if I'm going too fast. Number 1, are blank, put a picture up. Number 1, are blank, put a picture up. These are high frequency words. So if you did not look at that video that I posted, look at that first and then come back. Number 2, it has clouds floating blank to sailboats. Number 2, it has clouds floating blank to sailboats. Number 3, she pointed blank the picture. Number 3, she pointed blank the picture. Number 4, she said a breeze blank the clouds and boat to make them go. Number 4, she said a breeze blank the clouds and boat to make them go. Number 5, we were blank that it could make such big things go. Number 5, we were blank that it could make such big things go. Number 6, I am glad that we blank these things in school. Number 6, I am glad that we blank these things in school. Number 7, what does catnap mean in the sentence? Meg took a cat nap so she would feel rested for the birthday party. Does catnap mean she sleeps all day, she sleeps with a cat, or she took a short nap in the day? Number 8, what does out of the blue mean in the sentence? My grandfather came to see us out of the blue. We did not know he was in town. Does it mean A, a big surprise, B, for a long time, or C, made of blue paint? This is your comprehension over the dot. So if you need to look at that read aloud, I posted the video on Tuesday. Go ahead, look at that first, and then come back to answer these questions. So number 1, read the sentence from the story. Art class was over, but Vashti sat glued to her chair. What does glued to her chair mean in the sentence? Did she A, sit in glue, she would not get up, or she put glue on her paper? Number 2, how are the dots like the brush Vashti paints with? They are big, they are red, they fill the page. Number 3, read the sentence from the story. Vashti's many dots made quite a splash. What does quite a splash mean in the sentence above? A, people liked the dots a lot. B, people did not like the dots. Or C, people put the dots in water. Quite a splash. Number 4, how is the boy's drawing different from Vashti's? He draws a box, he draws a swirl, or he draws a squiggle. Number 5, how are Vashti and the boy the same? They both like math more than art. They both think they can draw anything, or at first they think they cannot draw. Number 6. How are Vashti and the boy different? The boy does not want to draw. Vashti's pictures are in the art show. Or Vashti does not try hard, but the boy does. Number 7. How is Vashti the same as her teacher? Both make jokes. Both help kids draw. Both frame pictures. And number 6. Oh, that should be a number 8, huh? Number 8. How does Vashti change by the end of the story? She likes to draw. She likes art shows. Or she does not like art. All right. Take a look at your phonics. So this is either using ed or ing. And yeah. Number 1, which form of the word swim fits the sentence? Do you want to go blank? Tish asked. These are all swimming, but which is the right word? Which is the right spelling? Number 2, which form of the word shine fits the sentence? The sun was blank, so I said yes. These are all shining, but which is the right spelling? Number 3, which form of the word come fits the sentence? The rain was blank down when we got to the lake. These are all coming, but which is the right spelling for coming? Number 4, which form of the word smile fits in the sentence? Tish blank and asked if I would like ice cream. These are all smiled, but which one is spelled correctly? Number 5, which form of the word hop fits the sentence? We blank out of the car and went to the store. These are all hopped, but which one is the correct spelling? Number 6, it is a blank day on the farm. Number 7, a filly is out of the blank next to the barn. And number 8, she runs and acts blank when she sees me. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know, and I will talk to you later this week. Have a fabulous weekend, and I will talk to you later. Bye.